Kia ora koutou. In this video, I'll be introducing you to a new rerepātai to ask who has something using kia wai. We first covered the kupu wai in this video about rerepātai when we used it to ask ko wai. In this video, we'll be using it in a new rerepātai, kia wai, meaning who has. This is a question that's pretty common. So some examples of how we might use it are who has the, kia wai te or kia wai ngā, who has mai, kia wai tāku, tōku, aku or oku. And the answers to these would be something like kei a and then someone's name, kei and then a pronoun, and then kei and then the name of something. There are too many possibilities to mention here, so I'll show you some examples. Let's start with our base question, who has? Kia wai. Next I'm going to add in some examples of our definite and indefinite articles, our pūtohu, te, he, ngā. We also have the option of using tētahi, meaning a, or ētahi, meaning some. Next up, we'll add in our few examples of some pūriro, possessive pronouns. Got some singular, dual and plural ones here. And our last set of kupu are the Pūhea, like these ones here, tērā, tēnei, tēnā and so on. And the last set of kupu we're going to need are the Tūingoa, which are the ones that we're going to be asking about, who has them. Before I start, I'm just going to show you some example sentences using these word lists, but I just want to say that when we ask this pātai about who has something, it doesn't mean they own it, it's just that they have it at that time. Here's our first example. Kia wai te hopu oro, who has the microphone? Next one. Kia wai aku ki, who has my keys? Next one. Kia wai tā mātou puka puka, who has our book? Kia wai tētahi pene rākau, who has a pencil? And kia wai o rerepātai, who has your hats? And the last one, kia wai tēnei kupu huna, who has this password? Now that we've asked the questions, let's have a look at how we might answer them. We're going to start our answer sentence with the same kupu as the question, which is kei. Our answer option categories are ngā ingoa, people's names, or tūkapi, or personal pronouns. It's worth noting that when we use people's names or tūkapi, we use the particle a in front of them, like in kei a rangi, kei aia, or kei a koe. Also worth noting, I've used ahau as an example as well. When we use that in these types of sentences, we don't need the a in front of it. Next up, we've got our pūtohu, like for example, te e ngā, our Pūhea, tērā ēnei, etc. And our Pūriro, tāku or tōku kōrero. If you'd like to revisit any of these word classes, please go back to playlist 3 and 5. You'll find the videos there. The last set of kupu are our tūingoa. Okay, let's start building some sentences now. I'll use the microphone as our example. Kia wai te hopu oro. I'll do one of each. First one, kia mere te hopu oro. Mere has the microphone. Next one, kia hau te hopu oro. I have the microphone. Kei ngā kaiako te hopu oro. The teachers have the microphone. And the last one, kei tāku tamahine te hopu oro. My daughter has the microphone. This structure also works in the past tense using e. Ia wai te rorohiko pōnaho, who had the laptop. Ia hone te rorohiko pōnahi. Hone had the laptop. Ia wai ngā ki. Iaia ngā ki. He had the keys. And we can use our kupu whakakāhore kaore, to say somebody doesn't have something. Kei a koe ētahi moni? Do you have any money? And the answer, kau. Our negative sentence starts with kaore, followed by ētahi moni, and the rest of the negation, ia au. No, I don't have any money. Ia mere ngā pukapuka? Did Mere have the books? Kau. Kaore ngā pukapuka ia mere. Mere didn't have the books. Last one. Kei a rātou ngā pene? Do they have pens? Kaore ngā pene ia rātou. No, they don't have pens. Here are some more examples of the past tense version as well as the affirmative and negative versions of this structure. Pause the video if you'd like to take a screenshot, or send me a message and I can send you a digital copy. So that's all for this time about asking who has using kei au wai. I hope you found this video helpful. Nei rā te mihi kia koutou, kia kaha, kia maia, kia manua nui. Hei kona.